One of the biggest questions people ask before getting into the trade is, can you actually make good money doing it? Well, the short answer is yes, but there's a lot that people don't understand about how the trade works. Let's get into it right after this. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Plumbing with Tim. Today I want to talk a little bit about money in plumbing because there's a lot of misinformation online. Some people act like every plumber is getting rich overnight, and other people act like the trades don't pay well at all. The truth really lies somewhere in the middle. If you're getting into plumbing expecting to make six figures your first year, that's probably not happening. Your first couple years are about learning. You're an apprentice. You're developing your skills, you're gaining experience, and yes, you're probably doing some of the harder physical work, but your value increases as your skill increases. But here's the important part. Good plumbers are always in demand. People will always need water heaters replaced, pipes repaired, bathrooms remodeled, new buildings being built. And the more dependable and skilled you become, the more opportunities open up. So the truth is, not every plumber is going to make the same amount of money. There's apprentices, journeymen, service plumbers, commercial plumbers, foremen. There's business owners. Some guys stay employees their whole careers. Some start companies. Some specialize in certain systems and they make even more money. There are a bunch of different levels to this trade. The truth is, a lot of people quit trades too early. They don't want to go through the learning phase. They don't want the early mornings. They don't want the late nights. They just really don't want the hard work. But for the people who stick with it, keep learning, and become reliable, usually do well over time. This isn't a get-rich-quick career. It's a skill-building career, and one no one can take away from you. Plumbing has helped a lot of people build great lives for themselves. Homes, families, careers, businesses. And one thing I respect about the trades is this. At the end of the day, you're learning a real skill that people actually need, and that matters. So can you make good money in plumbing? Answer is absolutely, but you gotta be willing to learn, work, improve, and stay consistent all the time. Let me know down in the comments if you're already in the trade or thinking about getting started. And if you're in my area, head over to the link in my bio where you can enroll for classes. They start in August.